So the last class we are going to see is our canon class. This class has a maximum delay and a minimum delay. This is going to be used when we reset the timer. We are going to assign a random value between the min delay and max delay. And we are using 3 seconds and 1 second for those values. We have a spawn point that is at the mouth of cannons, and we have the bullet prefab, and here we can see that vertical cannon uses a box prefab and horizontal cannon uses drop prefab. Here we can see the 3 seconds and 1 second values, and here we have the mouth position for our spawn point. So here we get the transform when the instance is created and the awake method is called. In start, we reset our timer, and each frame we subtract the timer with our delta time, that is the time that pass between frames. And when the timer reaches 0, we reset the timer and we emit a single event on create bullet. If we check here emit params, we can see that we have to pass the dispatcher of this event. We have to pass a bullet prefab, a position, and a direction. So we pass our spawn position and we pass the direction of the cannon. So when we create bullets from cannons, we use the cannon direction, and when we use the middle click or right click, we use the default direction that drop and boxes have. Here we can see that the default direction for drop is down, and here we can see that the default direction for box is right. So explain again how this works. Every time a drop or box is created, it fires an event that the game manager receives, and it updates the count, and the game manager has the reference to this display, to drops display and boxes display, and it gets updated. Game manager also listens to destroy. So when our bullets hit the wall, they are destroyed, and we receive the on drop destroyed event, and we update our count too. The same with boxes. We also receive the on create bullet method, so we can create our bullet using the create bullet here. We also create bullet using the left click here, the right click and middle click here, and we can use the space to toggle the speeds, and when we do that, we emit this event that is on bullet speed toggle that bullets are listening to. Bullets listen to that event, and they listen to on mouse click event, so they react. Drops go away from the click word position, and boxes go towards the click word position. In bullet speed toggle, they update their speed using the new speed that is assigned to game config. So that's the way we have a system where things communicate without holding reference to each other. So we have a decoupled communication, and we are in this way mixing the observer and mediator patterns. Mediator, because we have a system that communicates entities without having coupling. So if we remove one of the elements that emits or receive, nothing wrong happens. And we have a subscriber listener model. So we can have many emitters and many listeners for each event. That will be it. Thanks.